Hey, hello, my friends. Good morning to ya. It's a beautiful, cold day in Vancouver. Glad to be here with you guys today. You guys, you know, people say, what we do in life is what we get out of life. That makes sense to you guys? What we put out there in the universe is what we get back. I guess that's what that means. And how you portray yourself to others is how people will hopefully treat you back. I find it now in life, it's harder to retain a core group of people that you so dearly know are your ride to die friends. And sometimes, if you're the one making all the effort just to be their friend, and you decided one day, I'm not going to text them, I'm not going to message them, I want to see how long it takes them to get back to you. And then you realize they don't get back to you. And this is that saying, like, you put out all this energy, you put all this effort, and when you stop, where's their effort? Think about that, guys. What you put out in this world, what you put out with, your heart and soul, and you put it out there, and you don't get that return of investment in that sense, emotionally, is it worth it? I don't know, guys. You tell me. I don't know how you guys feel today. I don't know how you guys live your life in that moment and times. But it's key note to understand. I find that those dear to you will always reach out to you, if that makes sense. And it's always been that way. It's the way it works. It's the way how our relationship with others works. Alright, guys, thanks for letting me preach today. Thanks for coming on this walk with me. My buddy Red. Come say hi. Alright, guys. You guys be blessed.